Sub, bass, pulse starts immediately. No silence. Fast electronic kick plus tight claps. Rising some sweet building tension. Very low, female vocal whisper. Feel it. Feel the night. Crowd energy effects. Distant shouts. High rises. Heavy 4 on the floor kick. Heavy 4 on the floor kick. Continue baseline with sidechain. Girls rookie boulder chop. Yeah. Vocal is rhythmic, gripped, catchy and slightly distorted. Hats rolling fast and club ready. Hats becomes more aggressive. Add electro stabs for 5 seconds. C-make porno, keep excitement rising. Forearm down, keep dancers moving goyle. Kick softens for 5 seconds only. And pick dance muy daily. Phil crashes, Rebus crashes. Crush and heavy, very low in background. I value attention build. Hardest bass plus kick combo. Festival style. Girls vocal hook now. More confident and louder. Still background. Move it. Add siren effects and bass growls. Designed for replay value nit. Groove stays strong but cleaner. Kick custom shines. Star 3, 4 times. Is powerful, not soft.
Dance. Electro house. Club beat. Sound of the mix. The 808 bass.